service in Sterling, Virginia has for eastern Frederick County in north central Maryland, Harford County in northern Maryland, Carroll County in north central Maryland, Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northern Arundel County in central Maryland, Howard County in central Maryland until 11 o'clock. Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northern Arundel County in central Maryland, Howard County in central Maryland until 11 p.m. At 9:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along the line extending from Manchester to Newmarket and were moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mount Airy, Gammer, Sykesville, Eldersburg, Sykesville, Reisterstown, Oakland, Owings Mills, Randallstown, Pikesville. Although this line of storms is not producing much lightning, it is still dangerous. Prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts. Now for the official and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Harford and Howard, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore. At 9 p.m. at Easton, Maryland.